Hello Sunny, this is the car Mr. Raj which bought about 15-16 months earlier. I am in his garage. He is bringing the car out in a little light point, under light point, so that I can have a better look. And he is good. The car is definitely good. It is a Harpies car, same model, and is free of accident, excepting this worst car, except this thing, minor scratches. It generally happens. It generally happens in the city. You buy a car today, you will get some problem tomorrow. So here is the engine. He is showing me the engine. He is telling me to have a drive, to rehearsal, to make a rehearsal yourself, but I don't want to do. The car outlook is fine, excellent, no problem except minor scratches. And this auto car, the car is on now, and the guy is good. He is going to Dubai, Muscat on 1st June with a 3 times more pay. I think he's getting 35 here. He is going to get 3 times more. You can imagine 1 crore in a year. So I will try to bargain with him if he can reduce a little bit. Otherwise, you can tell your communication by evening. So far he has not promised to anyone. And car is a white, same Harpies car. Can I have a diggy open little bit? Yeah. Yeah, sure. This is the diggy. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You can close it. So I will have a look on the paper also once I'm going up. Insurance is there?
Insurance? Oh, yeah. 2013.
It's up to
13 January 2013.
2013 January is already insured. He's under loan. That's no problem. Since we pay the money, he can get the loan, repay it and clear it and give to us.
2013.
Yeah. So I feel okay. Car is good. I hope you. I think he got your email also, and he has replied you. I spoke to him yesterday in the evening. Okay, Mr. A, you can close it. Fine. I will have a look on the paper also. I will communicate to Mr. Sunant, and by evening we will let you know the decision. By evening I will come to you. At what time I should come?
Just give me a call, uncle.
No, I mean if you are going to your company, your somewhere.
That's what sometimes I don't know what time. Suddenly I come at
Normally,
6 o'clock.
normally, what time you come?
Around 7:38.
7:30. No problem. I
Because
will give you a call around about 8 o'clock.
Yeah, then we will.
I will come. We'll communicate, and then I'll come discuss you properly, and we will finalize if we have to go. You also make up your mind by evening, and we will go and we will make you
No problem.
clear.
So I will wait because
Yeah, sure.
I wanted to go for the NOC with one agent in Rajiv Chowk.
What for NOC?
Because if I want to take the car.
No, but you have to take NOC for selling also, I think.
No.
Okay.
NOC.
There's no need?
No need.
Okay, then leave it.
See, if you want to buy the car,
yeah.
what happens is
Yes.
I will settle the loan.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
And then I get the car, out of bank.
Understand?
The hypothecation
I mean,
will be removed.
without paying money, you can get the loan settled yourself.
I may need some help.
Okay.
Because there is
Understand.
3 lakh something.
Okay,
is there.
no problem.
So we
you
need to do it together maybe.
Okay, no problem. So you don't have that cash with you at present.
Obviously, yes.
Okay.
And what we can do is we can go to the bank.
Yeah.
We can talk to them.
Yeah.
And then we agree whatever terms.
Okay.
Once we settle the payment, immediately I can get the forms for transfer.
No
whatever.
problem.
I can sign all those. Maybe we can even have a bond. Just make sure the contract, the deal is done.
Sure, we will do.
So then I write in some forms, give my signs.
Yeah.
Then you can, So you don't need me basically for the transfer.
Sure.
That's my point.
You told me something. I will speak to Mr. Raj when I go up, and I think we had to say yes or no today itself, so that he stops getting NOC for taking car along with him. And I have told him don't go for NOC today. By today evening, we'll make the decision and let him know. And in that case, if you make your mind clear, we'll pay him some money, whatever he wants, to clear the loan. And then for other formalities, he's a good guy. And South Indians are normally good. I believe them. Have assurance. I don't believe the people of Haryana or Punjab and this way. I basically believe.
I also prefer to deal with the Punjabi because I really like them. I have a lot of friends when I was in
So the question is now I will talk to you later. Okay, let's Mr. Raj, we go up and see.
Yeah.
Can I have a little? You can keep on. I am sitting in the car. I am sitting in the car having a little drive.
Why don't you can't drive?
No, you.
Because it's very easy.
Okay. No, okay, later on. Once I promise to take, then I will have a rehearsal from you once or twice.
That's all.
Sure.
No clutch, nothing.
Yeah.
Very easy.
We are driving the car, going out on the other garage, or we may go out in the gate and come back. He is asking me to drive myself, but I have refused. No noise, no sound. Mr. Raj, do you have some stereo? Something?
Yeah, this original 6 speakers.
Okay, 6 speaker. This you are listening the voice of speaker is originally.
It's underground.
Tires are original. So whatever the Mr. Raj has told you in the ad, that's correctly. In the front is a sound close.
Video.
Yeah. We can just going to the gate and coming back.
इस टाइप के रीजंस के लिए होते हैं और इनमें 33% जो मर्डर
Okay, we can go back from here. This is the gate, south close gate and north close gate. We are turning back. I have seen the. Basically, I wanted to know how much, whether it gives. We are going out from the gate now, and that's our sign. That's all.
I can go if you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can go there. Come back from that side. Correct. I hope.
Still 2 more years warranty to go.
Yeah.
Because it's 3 years warranty.
Okay, it got a 3 years of warranty.
1 year.
And 1 year, 5 months are gone, and still more than 1.5 months is there. It's the warranty period.
1.5 years.
1.5 years warranty period is there still there.
3 years.
I will see the papers now and come back and give you email. You can give me green signal within once you get up early in the morning. Okay, we can go back.
Yeah, we need to go one
sure.
round.
Okay, sure.
Not like close north where you just straight to go inside.
Yeah,
right?
I see.
But here we have to take one full round.
Yeah. He's telling me to drive, but I say if we go for purchase, then of course I need his help. 1 or 2 days.
It's very easy, Uncle.
Yeah.
Only steering control is needed.
Since he want to go on 1st June from here and stay with his parents up to 10 June at Chennai, so we have to make clear everything before 1st June, and so that whatever the formality. So you must reply me as immediate, as early as possible. Here there's no agreement. Here we have to do no size, just like in Punjab we do some money, give some, it makes a promise. Here I think since he's going on 1st June, we have to give him complete cash altogether. No promise, no agreement, and we have to go for transfer of car duly purchased. So time is less. You have to communicate me how to make the this arrangement for cash. Also give me green signal. I hope
once
that
you both agree,
Yeah.
Your son also agrees.
Yeah.
The best thing I would recommend is we just go to the bank.
Yeah.
Okay. We sit with the bank guy, the loan guy.
Yeah.
Who gave me the statement now.
Yes,
So
yes.
around 3 lakhs left now.
Sure.
Which actually ends in 2013 December or something.
Okay.
So next year.
Okay.
Next year December it closes.
Yeah.
So I went for 36 months loan.
Yeah.
So what we do is I will give maybe 50% or whatever possible I will give.
Okay.
And then you give the rest. But
Yeah.
before that,
Yeah.
maybe we will have some bond paper, maybe 10 rupees or whatever.
Yeah.
We will get some
Okay.
something
Okay.
written there like
Yeah.
the sale is
Sure.
done, and I agree to pay this much, you agree to pay this
Oh,
much.
fine. I think we'll do tomorrow. If everything goes on, we'll do this formality tomorrow morning. I will be with you, and we'll finish. We will finish by tomorrow.
Then once we clear the ICICI part, the bank part, we will ask him how much time you are going to take to clear the car.
Sure.
Like maybe if he says because he has to go through that clearance, right? Close of the loan.
I will
It will take 1 or 2 days.
Yeah, no
we will
problem.
Ask him to expedite it.
That's why I
we
think
need to go.
If we finish this complete thing bargain tomorrow morning and we move, I think within 2-3 days we can do it.
Yes.
And in case something is left, then your friend, you can give power of attorney to him.
Yes.
Whatever the formalities left, he is authorized on my behalf to do.
From my side, you don't need anything. Because normally you just need 2-3 signs in the transfer form, the RTO transfer. So that is the main thing required. And then you will go for the insurance and done.
Mr. Raj, he has told me the one core point. To come on the real point, you need 6 lakh, what you have seen in the car.
Yes,
What he has sent me, he has called me is to send you, see it, what is worth. I spoke to my son also at Allahabad, and he has told me. So basic point is let him listen if he is listening. So can you reduce little bit?
That's up to you, uncle. You give me a quote, whatever possible. I told my situation.
Yeah, you told
100%.
me. You told me. I understand.
I'm not
understand.
Doing anything really like. See, I have put here all these.
So
things.
I understand. I understand.
For you, I can guarantee this is a
I'm a
nonsense.
I'm a military person. I have seen like I go for promise, and whatever I will say from my mouth, that will be the final. He used to say yes only.
Okay.
And if he say yes, that means what I promised you, that will be the final.
Okay.
So if you ask me willingly, I want to give 5.5. So by evening you get everything, including cash then and there. And I will go with you in the morning, wherever you want to take me. No further this thing with him.
Let me just explain my situation.
Yeah.
What I am having trouble. I paid the car invoice is 8.37.
I understand.
3.4. I have the invoice.
I understand.
Okay. And the loan left is around 3.1 or 3.2.
Don't worry about the loan.
No, I'm just telling how much I am losing.
I understand. I understand.
I'm trying to just explain my
See,
situation.
he's asking me to go for canteen.
No.
We get exemption from canteen. But I will recommend him, it's better if you go for them.
Okay.
And he has already given as much, it is not easy to get off this purchase anywhere.
Okay.
And you will save from the agent. You will both will be saved. So that is I am. Definitely. You have to pay. We have to pay.
Definitely,
I know.
30,000-40,000.
He will definitely. That's why you please just come to say yes, and you will get by evening everything. Whether he agrees no, still I will go for yes. Because he doesn't keep, I will keep. But you have to make up your mind and let me know, and within half an hour we will make the decision. That means 90% is over. If you come to my point, I will not go for next point. I will see the paper only and bring the cash tomorrow morning with you. And I will bring the check.
So you want to see any other thing?
Yeah, I will go. I will definitely. I will want to.
Okay. No. Because I want to talk to my uncle.
Okay, sure.
I just want to check with
yes, you can say. I will see the other things also. And I want to make a promise. In fact, what I want to go to Punjab. Within next 2-3 days.
Okay.
In between, his signal has come. So I want to clear first you because you are going on first. So I am postponing and I want to finish by tomorrow. Okay. If you agree, I will clear you. Then go within my schedule. I want to go to Punjab due to certain tasks is there. You have to say, he has to see me okay, you have to give me okay.
Okay, give me just 5 minutes.
Okay, I give you 5 minutes.
I will talk to my uncle.
Yeah, because even if my son says, no, daddy will not go for 5, but once I have promised you 5.5, I will go. I will give 50 from my side if he doesn't agree. That is my promise.
I understand your...
because it's not...
I have a very...
It's not my car. It's not my car. I would have taken my own decision. So he is listening. He's listening. That's why he has sent me.
My father also same thing.
Yeah.
I always give him instruction in phone. Daddy, you go and do this.
He listens.
Sometimes he just do whatever he wants.
Yeah. So now I have not told you 5 or 5 point. I have given 5.5. Whatever the case may be, and he may agree. He may not agree. I have not asked my daughter, I have not asked him, he is listening, so that's why I say instead of giving my decision tomorrow, I can give my decision now, right now. So that you can prepare mentally, it's sold. Yeah. That feeling should come, it's sold.
Yeah.
And the other is formalities. Only...
frankly, I prefer to deal with, people like you, rather than the agent.
Don't worry.
Try to do something.
No. We will not.
One incident happened. Let me tell you frankly.
Yeah.
Okay. One guy, agent, he promised 5.6. I will take it.
Yeah.
Then I said, okay, I will think. I will come back to you.
Yeah.
Because I am losing almost 2.5
lakhs
for 1 year car.
Yes.
I couldn't decide, so I said, okay, I will go and come back. Then I called him again.
Yeah.
Sir, now the price has changed. We need to revise the price. Why?
Yeah.
Last Thursday, Friday I came.
Yeah.
And within 2 days, what happened?
Yeah, what happened?
Sir, market price changes.
What already knows? No.
What nonsense, man. This is
Yeah.
See, you are running such a big company.
Once you set
what
in
kind of
with
integrity
the-
you have?
Yes.
Huh? Then I said, no, I'm not going to talk to you anymore.
Definitely.
Just leave it.
Definitely.
And this Mahindra first choice,
Mahindra,
you know, the
yeah, I
second,
know.
second hand car dealer.
Yeah. No, you see, once
Then
you.
I told my father, this is what happened.
Yeah.
Then he said, don't sell it.
Yes.
Bring it back.
Yeah. Sure.
Just let it be idle at home.
Yeah. Sure.
No problem.
Sure.
But this is, you know,
Sure.
this is going to be problem for you if you sell these two agents.
Yeah. Sure.
And I said, okay. Then only I talked to the agent guy, the NOC agent.
Yeah.
He said he will get it today.
Yeah.
So I prepared all the documents and I wanted to go today.
He's your uncle or your father-in-law?
My father-in-law.
Your father-in-law?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What you have been doing in your life?
I have been working in BHL.
BHL. There was today one guy, Sardarji, I met him in the morning today. He's 82 years old. He also was working in BHL.
Deputy General Manager HR.
He also retired as a general manager. Yeah, like this, life is there.
Okay.
We have some discipline. Please.
So, this is the invoice. 8.32. You can check all the.
I understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The
Yes.
date.
Yes.
26, 12.
Oh,
the
sure.
bill date.
No, it's.
But I got the delivery in Jan.
I could guess from your face value because I have my own experience dealing with the South Indians.
No, I want to.
I believe.
Clear,
And it's very good.
This
It's
place, uncle, I
yeah,
tell you,
sure,
better be careful
sure.
also.
See.
This is not.
Yes. I am seeing the papers. You can see your papers here, original papers. It is taken on 11 December 2010, and the amount is a return total 832. 8.32 is original, and insurance.
Insurance copies.
This original. I am
No,
taking
this
this.
This is invoice. I will give you
Yeah,
this.
I will take the original
I will
invoice
just
with
take
me.
a photocopy and I will give this to you.
Yeah. So I have told him what you told me. He is going to discuss with his wife and within taking decision within 5 minutes.
This is Royal Sundaram.
Sure.
See the IDV. Somewhere here 7 lakhs. See.
Yes.
So the insurance value.
Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. Yeah, this
And this
insurance
is
value.
January.
Yeah.
You look at the date.
Yeah.
It's January. I did it. So next year January only you need to do.
Yeah.
Which is like
Okay.
14,000 I paid.
Yeah. Sure. It is there. Actually, what happens? He's staying there. He come once a while in a year. So he won't drive for 1 a month. I told him don't purchase. You take my Maruti car, but he's bent upon purchasing his own car. Oh, okay. Though it keep on standing in the garage.
Okay.
As you are leaving to your father, otherwise.
So this is the original.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the balance I have to pay.
Oh,
313.
yes. This is the.
NOC from IOC also, ICICI Bank also.
Yeah.
So this is what he asked me to
Sure.
bring today.
Sure.
The NOC from the RTO.
Sure.
I took the address proof, everything.
No. Okay. Fine.
I want to go.
Fine.
Suddenly I am changing my mind
Yeah.
because of seeing you.
Okay.
If somebody else, I wouldn't be even thinking.
You are listening. He say I had 90% made up my mind to take car to Chennai, but now he is taking decision, changing it due to me only. Had I not come myself, he would not have agreed on your on telephone even. But his personal meeting is something. I met his father-in-law. He is standing here. He retired from Bhartiya Heavy Electrical Limited. And I will have a small cup of, and I will have a dosha also with them before they go. Or I will take them to hotel if they could get some time.
Make some very good chutney.
They say very good. And his
So this is you have this is the
My
original copy.
Yeah.
Which I will
Done.
I know this guy. So
Yeah.
I will tell you how to transfer the name.
Yes,
It's
yes.
not a very big.
Yeah. We will definitely.
I went for Royal Sundaram because they are very good in customer service.
Yeah. ठीक है.
Either Tata AAG or this one I wanted to go.
We will
Royal
take this car
Sundaram-
always to them.
Yeah, Royal Sundaram gave 1,000 rupees discount.
Yeah.
He was charging 15,000. He said 14.
Yeah.
Then I said, okay, I will go for Royal Sundaram.
Okay, fine. Now I would like to see some other items. Oh my God, the sofa set is very, very good. Let me see. Let me tell them this is the sofa they are selling. You can see yourself. Where I am sitting is very good. It is more comfortable than our sofa in South Close. I think the sofa he quoted 10,000. Cannot be. It has to be 10,000 per seat. This sofa is a 5-seater. These are
7-seater. There is 2 more inside. 2. This is 3.
Okay, let me see the other one also. Yeah, sure.
This is 2. We
yeah,
haven't used
yeah.
this because it's too big.
Yeah. Oh, yes. It's a 2-seater?
Yeah, 2.
Yeah. Can you have a light? One more point here.
No,
Light.
yeah.
Okay. It's the same thing, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's the same
So
thing
this-
what is outside. Okay, fine. No,
this
no
comes
problem.
with this pillow, the cover.
Yeah. I
So
understand.
they have to put like this.
It's a 2-seater?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a 2-seater lying inside. And this is again 2-seater here. This car 2-seater, 3-seater.
This is 3-seater.
3. 2 and this is a 3.
This is
2
single.
and
One.
3, 5. And this is a
1.
6 single. This is 7 single, 7-seater sofa.
So
Fine.
uncle, the only problem here is
Yeah.
this is like heavily used.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But the good thing is the material is easily available anywhere.
Yeah.
You can just buy the. This can be bought anywhere.
Yes.
So
Sure.
Those things are very good. But this we are using every day.
Yeah, definitely.
This kind of need to be replaced.
Definitely.
This will cost you maybe 300-400 rupees.
Oh,
maximum.
no problem.
So,
Yes.
Because I want to tell you upfront.
Yeah. So you are quoted for this 10,000?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Whatever,
Okay,
it's,
okay.
I want to sell this up.
yeah,
Actually,
okay.
the company gives a container.
Okay.
But
So
this is too big for me to carry.
yeah, to
because
carry. So
when I came here, I brought it.
so you
I
need
bought a 2 bed actually here.
so you need 10,000 for 7 seats.
This and this one also. I want to give this together.
Okay.
See, I tell you, my son
I
had
understand.
done this.
Yeah.
But this can be
Oh,
removed
and
and put something on top.
yeah, we can do it. Okay.
So I will give free
You will
if
give-
somebody takes this.
With
Because
this
I don't want to.
with 7 seat 10,000 and with this you'll be
Yeah.
free. Okay.
But
okay.
this need to be fixed.
Yeah, definitely. That will do. That and some more you have.
The water filter is there.
Okay, let me see this
I
also.
have bill.
We have in fact a water filter RO system with us at home, and still I will discuss.
Again, same 1 year, 3 months, 4 months.
Yeah, this is a this is a RO system. Press time.
So this, I paid 13,500.
Sofa set you had purchased from where?
I have from overseas.
From overseas.
It's made in Malaysia.
This sofa is made in Malaysia. We are not sure which type of wood is there, but you formality. Yeah.
It's not a, this is more of cushion, right?
Yeah.
So it's
So you had purchased for how much is this?
I paid 45,000.
For this sofa set at that time. Okay, fine.
$300 I paid.
Yeah. But
Singapore dollars.
now you are happy with 10,000. Okay, fine.
Yes, the problem
Okay,
I have is
yes.
my container is
Yeah,
20
yeah.
feet.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
cannot
sure.
take this.
Yes.
So I need to give it to
Yes,
somebody.
definitely.
Even if,
Okay. Yeah,
if you want to take the car, then
definitely your thing should remain with the same guy. I will let you know by evening.
Yeah, no problem.
What this evening? Let us finish first car.
Heater you want to
Yes.
These two are my kids.
Children, small children playing like a baby.
Okay. So this is the heater.
Okay.
Heater.
Yeah,
I bought it in December 2010 again when he moved here.
December 2010.
I have the warranty card also, 2-year warranty.
Okay.
So still another whatever 8 months, 6 months, almost 7 months to go.
They are in working condition.
Very good working condition.
Okay.
Bajaj.
Okay. I will
It's
let
Bajaj.
you.